Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS max width property. The max width property is used to set one maximum width to the element. Like in example, we have the div and we know that div is one block level element. So if we add border around the div of 2 pixel solid green, then you can see the div is taking full width of the window. Now if we apply some constant width of 600 pixel to the div element, then you can see the browser automatically added one scroll bar because the width of the div is more than the browser width. So clearly the div element is not responsive, so it will not fit properly in the smaller devices. Now to fix that, we can use the max width property instead of the width property. Now you can see whenever we set max width to 600 pixel, then the scroll bar has automatically gone. The width of the div is automatically adjusted as per the width of the window. So by setting max width to the div, now the div can have maximum of 600 pixel width, but it also can have any width below the 600 pixel, which adds the responsiveness to the div element. And also we can add the margin auto to center the div, and you can see the div is now centered in the middle of the browser window. So this way, instead of applying one constant width to the element, we can apply the max width property, and now the element will behave like one responsive element. Now the element can adjust its width as per the width of the containing browser window. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.